Hi, thanks for coming back to my channel to watch this video. The ticking that you hear is the Disneyland Haunted Mansion clock. The 3 sticker books that I have in front of me is a collaboration between Disney and the Happy Planner. Fun fact, I used the Happy Planner before I got into the Hobonichi Techo. And this is a perfect collaboration for me because who doesn't love stickers? And we were Disneyland pass holders. We decided to let the passes expire due to COVID. But this has 551 pieces. This is the mini. This one has 582 pieces. It's called Magic Plans. And this one is called Colorful Boxes at 512 pieces. And all the books have this elastic thing to keep the cover closed. And what I thought I'd do is just flip through each book so you can see what's in there. They retail $24.99. I bought these on the Happy Planner website. You can try looking at Joann's online or in store. I couldn't find anything online. They were sold out. And I think you can still find these sticker books on the Happy Planner website. And if they're sold out, I think you can sign up for an email alert so they will notify you if it ever gets back into stock. So again, mini. This one is Magic Plans and Colorful Boxes. So let's go to the first page. Hopefully I can make these pages stay down. How does that work? All right, you know what? Let me put something down to keep the covers down. Okay, so this is the first page, so you can see what they look like. Kind of pretty. Here's the second one. Once it gets the... These are cute. And I can use them in my Hobonichi. Probably in... Probably the cousin. I don't know if I'd use this in my A6, though you probably could. Next page. Pretty cool. They're so pretty. This looks to be, for these two, on clear sticker sheets. Nice. Even smaller. They still look clear. And once again, this is the mini Magic Plans Colorful Boxes. I think that's the order. Oops, did I do that one right? Nope, I think it's that one. Neat. Now here's mini. Also clear sheets. And I have the front door open, so now it was cloudy a few minutes ago, but the sun is starting to come in, but hopefully you can still see this pretty clearly. And if Alpha Traveler 1, aka Kenny, if you're watching this, Kenny, get yourself some Disney stickers. You need it for your planner. You know you do. I think anybody that is a fan of Disney will like these stickers. They're pretty neat. It's a nice way to decorate your books. Whether you're using the techos the Happy Planners, the Recollection Michaels planner, or even Erin Condren, which I actually, another fun fact, I used them for 1 year. More clear sheets. More clear sheets. Yeah, I thought they were a little pricey at $24.99, but now that I'm looking at the stickers, this looks to have some foiling. Is it rose gold? With the amount of stickers, you know, if you don't use them all at once, might be worth the money value versus trying to make your own stickers. Because I do have a Cameo silhouette. Cute. More clear stickers. Clear. Yeah, this would definitely go into a cousin because it's so big. It would take up, I think, a lot of space in your A6 if you decide to go that route. And the sun is really coming in. Hopefully you can still see it. If anything, you can really see the foiling on those. Cute. Is that the next one? Nope. Skipped one. There's that one. That one. And that one. These are cute. And the sun is going behind the clouds, so let me try and speed this up a little bit more. Clear, 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 gold foiling, gold. Cute. Uh-oh, here comes the sun. Sorry. So I hope this flick through helps gives you an idea of how big some of these stickers are to the different books. Actually, I think this one's the colorful boxes. 512 pieces. Clear. Clear. And I think we're getting towards the end. Clear. Clear. And the end of this book. And we're at the end of this book, which means we're at the end of this book. So that was a quick flip through of the collaboration between Disney and the Happy Planner sticker books. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped you out if you decide to buy these stickers. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. But thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.